Dave Ernsberger, in simple terms for our global audience, oil prices have already jumped a lot. What could happen to pump prices at gas stations if Gulf supplies stay blocked for, let's say, a couple of more weeks?
Well, this is the nightmare scenario that people are watching for very closely in the physical oil markets. Is this potential for the disruption to continue for a few more weeks? And what we're hearing about that is that should the strait remain closed until the end of March, let's say, and even beyond that, that will begin to create a more systemic shutdown in the availability of all these energy supplies we've been talking about today. In that scenario, the sort of record high prices that we've seen for oil prices 10 or 15 years ago could quite easily be surpassed. We would start to see production being shut in at the crude oil wellhead by some of the Gulf producers at that point. Some of them already cut their production rates inside the Gulf there. And that would begin to translate into prices at the pump. Not just would prices be rising to historic levels, but availability would be falling to desperately low levels as well. And that is a very difficult scenario for the markets to manage globally and for Indian consumers to manage locally.